Hi, welcome to our problem of the day for May 7th, 2020. It's math time, so let's get started. Our math norms. Listen to classmates and teachers. We appreciate mistakes because that's learning. We can learn from each other because we all do math at high levels. Math is about creativity and solving problems. Speed is not a math value, and math talk is necessary. Oopsies, pushed the wrong button. Sorry, guys. Go away, please. Uh-oh, there we go. Here we go. We're back. Okay, it's time for our problem of the day. We have another splat. And remember, as always, our learning targets for problems of the day are I can use problem-solving strategies to solve the problem. And I want you to really think flexibly today. So I'm going to see if you can expand your thinking instead of just thinking, oh, this is easy, I can do it super fast. I want you to really think about it in a different way today. So let's see if you can do that. And remember, the total number of blue circles is 14, and there's the same amount of blue circles under this splat as is under this splat. Okay, I'm going to pause it, and I hope you pause it too so you can figure it out. Thanks. Okay, we're back, and I hope you've had some time to really think about this and really expand your thinking. Okay, so we have two splats. We know that there are 14 blue dots total in our splat area, and we know that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We know that 8 blue dots are showing. So if we subtract 8 from 14, we know that there are 6 splats underneath here. So if we do like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we know that there are 3 under each splat. So my challenge to you is to think a little differently and not just think in whole numbers like this, like 3 and 3, because maybe you could think like this 3 is actually 9 thirds. Because this could be 3/3, that could be 3/3, and that could be 3/3. So they each could be 3/3. So we could have 9 thirds there and 9 thirds there, which would make a total of 18 thirds, right? And that would still be 6. Okay? Another way you could think about is perhaps each of these is let me see. They each could be, my mind's drawing a blank right now for some reason. They could be in a fraction form of 3, just 3 over 1. You could also have them be, for instance, 18 sixths. Okay, so there's a lot of different ways to think about it in knowing that actually it's 3 under each splat, but they could look a little differently, right? So I just want you to start thinking a little bit more deeply and a little bit more abstractly on these, okay? I hope you're having a great day. Bye.